Hello, we are Team Joycon Division, and this is our project for Hack Ohio 11. So we created an augmented reality peripheral system that allows users to enjoy games by turning their hands, pressing buttons, and even walking around instead of just sitting at their computers with their hands glued to their keyboard and mouse. We made 3 separate HIDs, including 2 Bluetooth gloves and 1 USB dance mat. If you were at Hack last year, you might find this project a bit familiar. It's the spiritual successor of the Power Glove, which was a single HID for one-handed playing. A little bit more about how we made the project. We had 2 main components, your hands and feet. On your hands were 2 gloves with the Circuit Playground Bluefruit connected to it. And these were Bluetooth devices that had 3-axis accelerometers that we used to get the direction and magnitude of hand tilt, which we mapped to mouse movements. They also have digital I/O pins, which you can see in that second image with the copper tape, allowed you to press your fingers together to simulate pressing the keyboard buttons. On your feet, we had a Dance Dance Revolution mat with a Adafruit Itsy Bitsy attached, which we of course lovingly named Matt. This was connected to your computer via USB, and the arrows were mapped to movement, so to take a step forward in the game, you had to physically take a step forward. So enough talk, let's show a little demonstration. Here we have us playing the CS2 game. We chose this game because it was using all the different components of our system. You had to walk with your feet, aim with your left hand, and shoot/open menus with your right. However, because we created the code in such a modular manner, swapping to play another game is trivial. All you have to do, change a single variable, like changing WASD to the arrow keys. So over the course of 24 hours, we faced a couple of challenges. Bluetooth is finicky. Sometimes it works, other times not so much. In fact, our left hand refused to Bluetooth connect until we briefly connected to a computer, and then it works fine. Next up, HID devices. Sound fairly simple. For some reason, they interact differently with different computers. Finally, we wanted to take screenshots of the game and use Google's Tesseract to extract text and send that information to our gloves. Unfortunately, this requires good image processing, which we didn't quite have the time to figure out. So we had big goals coming into this project, and we accomplished a lot, but we couldn't quite get everything done that we set out to, just as I mentioned with the text recognition with Tesseract. Additionally, both me and my partner have previously used GitHub UI for source control, but this year we decided to have fun and use Git console commands. And it was fun, despite some of the amount of code we lost due to wrong commits. And finally, we had a great time hacking, learning not only all about Bluetooth, HIDs, image processing, but also talking to other teams and learning everyone else's great ideas. Thank you.